Hello everyone, Ryan from Huckabuy again, and today we're going to be talking about duplicate structured data and how to get that removed. So if you go to support.huckabuy.com and under rich results, structured data and duplicate structured data removal, we have an article on how to do that. But we're going to go through really quick and see how to find that duplicate structured data first. So in the past, we would use the structured data testing tool. And I'm going to give you a heads up that Google is archiving this project and it will switch over to the rich results test. So for those still using the structured data testing tool, you simply put in the URL that you actually want to see where your duplicate or what duplicate structured data is showing. Give it a second to run here. So to find the duplicate structured data, you simply just click on the items that you're looking at. Now, if you see here, we've got product structured data. There's two of them. That means they're duplicated. So the easiest way to find the code on your website is simply click on the item itself and then go to the first line here, and you'll notice that it's highlighted right there on the first line. So you can see that Yotpo is the offender in this case. Well, not necessarily an offender, but that's the duplicate structured data that you'd want to remove. Now, there's a lot of companies that will actually use or insert structured data depending on which website platform you're running, whether it's BigCommerce, Magento, even WordPress. WordPress is a big one too that will insert just basic structured data that can be duplicated and cause some issues. We don't know for sure if all items that have duplicate structured data will be disqualified from showing in search results, but we do know of certain ones that are. So take, for instance, FAQs. If you have duplicate FAQ markup on there, Google is really cracking down on the fact that they will not show you for search results or let you show in rich results if you have duplicate FAQ markup. So we're just going to apply that and assume that any duplicate markup on there, you've got a real good possibility of being taken out of search results, especially for rich results. So the next one, if we go to the rich results tester, which Google's moving to, you type in the URL here or the code if you'd like, and you can switch what bot it's actually on. So in this one, we're going to go ahead and just switch to the desktop since we're on desktop. We're going to test this URL and see exactly what search results come in here. And while that's loading, the easiest way to actually remove these is simply to contact the company that is inserting that structured data. Now, if you have a developer, someone that's going to be removing that, simply send them this article and this video, and that'll be an easy way to show them how to remove that duplicate structured data. So here we are right here. We've got a couple of different products on here. Yes, there's some warnings. I wouldn't worry about those. It's the errors that you need to worry about. But once again, you've got unnamed items that are duplicated on here as far as logos. You've got a couple of products, but mainly this is because this page is a collections page. So once again on here, to find out where you can actually see that specific code, you simply just click on the item, the first line here, it will show the code in your website, and then you can see right there, Yotpo is the one that we'd want to remove in this case. So that's how you detect and find where that structured data, that duplicate structured data is. Simply just get this over to your developer. They'll be able to either contact the provider that's adding that, or they can simply remove it themselves if it's manually coded in your website or if it's a custom website. So thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.